Crews found the body of a missing Lee County woman this morning. 45-year-old Sally Lucker's car was swept away in a flooded creek near Lexington on Tuesday night. That's about 60 miles northeast of Austin. Her dog was with her in that car during the accident, and Sally will be remembered most for her love of animals and dedication to finding them good homes. KXAN's Aaron Cargile has more from Lee County.
Good evening. A DPS dive team went down in the water this morning. Here is the path where a tow truck helped pull out Sally's car. You can see this creek is still flooded. Sally's body and dog were inside. Sally's four-door Mazda was hauled away on a trailer Thursday. DPS says most of the damage you see occurred during the removal process. Sally's friends were on scene today, relaying information to the family that is now planning her funeral. Friends carried the dog away that was trapped inside Sally's submerged car. They plan to hold a special memorial for her. She was a pit bull mix Sally rescued earlier this year, which was something she did often with the volunteer animal rescue group she founded. Sally named the dog Starfish for a reason.
I think it was a little boy that was on the beach, and he was throwing starfish back in the water because the beach was covered with them. And an adult approached the child and said, "You can't save them all." And he said, "Yeah, but I can save this one." So Sally was always saving this one.
Friends and animal rescue groups across the state are posting kind words on Sally's rescue group's Facebook page, offering to help with the animals. A comment posted Thursday says Sally will always be remembered for the countless animals she has helped. In her memory, we will keep Blue Paws Rescue going strong. In Lee County, Aaron Cargile, KXAN News.
Sally's body was taken to the Travis County Medical Examiner's office in Austin for an autopsy, and we'll keep you posted on funeral arrangements.